A very good evening friends, welcome to chapter 6 part 3. In this video I'm going to talk about and show you the Bangkok night vibes on a budget. So right now I'm traveling in a bike and I'll be covering two important places of Bangkok. First the Patpong Market and secondly the Chinatown Yaowarat Road. So stay tuned, watch the entire video. This is going to be a very interesting video for you. You can always put this in your itinerary. So I will thank you for joining in and watching my video. Please watch this video till the end. And if you like this video, do like this video and share this video with your friends. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, do subscribe. You're going to get more updates on the future videos. Thanks for joining in. Enjoy. Friends, I've already started for the first spot of the night, Patpong Night Market. Right now I'm sitting on a bike taxi traveling from my hotel in Sukhumvit Soy 11 to Patpong Night Market. The cost for the trip is only 50 THB. This video is all about the night vibes of Bangkok on a budget. So if you're a budget traveler or a solo traveler, a bike taxi is certainly a good option for traveling all around Bangkok. I prefer InDrive, but you can also choose Grab. Other option, of course, choosing the MRT or BTS. For that, you need to walk from a hotel to the station. I certainly didn't want to do that. I wanted to pick it up from my hotel. So I'll take you right now to the first spot of the night, Patpong Night Market, which is going to be interesting. You can spend some time there. So watch my video. Join me at Patpong Night Market. Well, I just got dropped in front of Patpong Night Market. Now I'm inside the Patpong Night Market. I'm going to explore the market for next 1 or 2 hours. So this place is a good place to capture the night vibes of Bangkok. You can come early around 8 p.m. and explore the market. So join me as I walk down Patpong Night Market. If you really want to shop and if you like something, you can always buy, but you need to bargain very hard out here, and most of the items are copy items. If you're tired, there are a lot of places where you can sit down, take a nice foot massage. So don't need to worry. This is a place for you to come and spend 1 or 2 hours and chill. Friends, this is a great place to spend 1 or 2 hours in a night. You can pick up a beer for as low as 90 or 100 Thai baht and sit in one of the tables, enjoy beer while talking to your fellow travelers. And let me tell you, the enough of Thai street food out here. I'm going to walk down and show you the Thai street food display here. I'm sure you're going to find this interesting. So if you're planning to visit Bangkok, this can always be in your itinerary, 1 or 2 hours in Patpong Night Market.
do was feeling hopeless, I was feeling broken, couldn't see where I was going, almost fell apart. That is when I found you, you could see right through me, pull me from the darkness, save me from the start. I might be reaching for the stars, but whenever I'm with you, doesn't matter where I am, I follow the voices in my heart.
Right now I come back to the main road in front of Patpong Night Market. I'm going to explore this interesting area. There are a lot of stalls selling Thai street food out here, and there are places where you can take a quality foot massage. So check this out while I walk down this area.
이전엔 내가 아냐 난 돌아가지 않아 공허 있었던 그 수많은 밤을 말이야 아무도 없던 내게 따스히 다가와준 그 모든 의미를 난 잊지 않아 I might be reaching for the stars but whenever I'm with you doesn't matter where I am I follow the voices in my heart I feel you're always here by my side. I know that you are close.
Friends, I started traveling in an InDrive bike taxi to Chinatown, the second spot of the night. Friends, I've reached the second spot of the night, Yaowarat Road in Chinatown. This is a must visit place even if you're visiting Bangkok for 1 or 2 days. This should be in your itinerary. Try to visit this place at night or in the evening when the place gets lit up. The vibe is electrifying. You shouldn't miss this. And again, if you want to taste authentic Thai street food, this is one of the best area where you get good quality Thai street food. So you should not give a miss when you are visiting Bangkok the next time. Make it a point to include this place as part of your itinerary when you visit Bangkok the next time. I'll try to capture the vibe of this place and also give you a good glimpse of this area. Watch the video till the end. Friends, I've come to the end of my video. If you like my video, do not hesitate to press the like button and share my video with your friends. For more, do subscribe to my channel. You're going to get all the updates for the future videos. Thanks for watching. See you soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Good night.